Hello, everyone, and welcome to this series on Azure Security Ansible. My name is Mo. I'm based in Toronto. Through Cloud Coder Consulting, I work on cloud, automation, and infrastructure projects. Nowadays, modern cloud environments are changing very fast. In the past, many environments were managed manually, mostly by clicking the portal. But today, more and more companies are moving toward automation, infrastructure as code, and configuration management. Tools like Terraform and Ansible are becoming essential skills for cloud engineers, system administrators, and security engineers because modern environments are becoming larger, more dynamic, and more complex to manage everything manually. And honestly, the future of the cloud is automation, not replacing engineers, but helping engineers work faster, more consistently, and more securely. And that's exactly why I created this project. In this series, we are not just learning tools separately, we are going to build a real world Azure environment and then secure and automate it step by step using Terraform and Ansible. So during this journey, you will learn Azure security, automation, infrastructure as code, and real world cloud thinking together. And if some of these concepts sounds new, don't panic. This is only the first video. So I will walk through everything step by step and explain every concept in detail during the series. Our goal right now is not to understand every command. Our goal is to understand the big picture first. And let's take a look at the environment. We are going to build and secure together. So this is our project environment. And honestly, this looks very similar to many real environments in companies. User connect from the internet. Traffic goes through a load balancer and reaches the web servers. And these servers are public, which makes them the most exposed. Behind the web layer, we have the application layer. These servers is internal only and does not have a public IP. And here we have an admin server used for management and administration. And this is where the security problems start. Ports like SSH, RDP, HTTP are open to internet. This environment is not secure, and that's exactly what we want. Because during this series, we will secure it step by step. So first, we will use Terraform to build the infrastructure automatically. And if you are new to Terraform, I already have another Terraform series in on this channel where I explain it step by step. Then we use Ansible to configure systems, apply security, patch servers, and automate everything. And finally, we monitor and improve the environment using Azure Security tools. So our journey is simple. We build, we secure, we automate, and we continuously improve our environment. Before we start building, we need a few basic tools. First, we need to have Azure account. This is where we create our infrastructure, and then we use Visual Studio as our main editor to write Terraform and Ansible code. And Ansible will help us configure, secure, and automate our systems. And Terraform will help us deploy infrastructure using code instead of manual configuration. So the process is simple. We connect to Azure, deploy infrastructure using Terraform, configure and secure everything using Ansible, and then we can go on portal and verify our environment and our tests. Before we start building, we need to prepare our local environment, install the required tools, and connect to Azure. So in the next video, we will prepare our environment, install Terraform and Ansible, connect to Azure, and start building our infrastructure. And don't worry, we'll do everything together step by step. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue this real-world Azure security journey with me, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos. And if this video helped you, please like the video. It really helps support the channel and helps more people discover this series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.